Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your availability on Akiflow. So this is going to become particularly useful for people who want to schedule like an on-demand meeting with a coworker or someone online, or maybe a family member or friend. So make sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So let's go on and get started. What you first want to do is go into your Akiflow account, which looks like this right here. Now, on the upper right-hand side, you're going to see this link icon that says Share Availability. The hotkey for that is to press A, but what we're going to do is click on that. Now, what this looks like is that you have to click and drag in your calendar to select your available slots. So I'm going to select available slots for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So as you can see here, the duration is 30 minutes. This is the link in the description. You can see the time slots connected. You would just go ahead and click on Save and Copy, or copy this link by clicking on this icon here. So once you click on Save and Copy, you can see that it's been saved and copied to the clipboard. Let's go ahead and hop onto what this looks like. So this is what we copied from Akiflow. It's actually a message that actually indicates which times you want available. And then if you click on this link here that says booking.akiflow.com, it's gonna jump you straight to a booking page. So these are the links that these are the highlights that I did on the calendar. So you could just go ahead and click on one of these links and it's automatically going to be integrated to your calendar. So you do have to make sure that you have some sort of calendar and meeting integration. So such as Google Meets or Zoom actually added onto Akiflow. But this is the best way I've seen to actually go ahead and share your availability on Akiflow. If you know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.